So tonight I'm going to change the trailer light with a Blazer LED trailer light. Problem is, the screws won't come out, so we're going to have to drill those out. Well, after drilling off the head of the screw, take a pair of channel locks and then twist out the remaining of the screw. Do it on both sides. After destroying a few drill bits, it's coming along. Alright, once you got it all cleared out, get the screws taken out. You gotta find a new screw that'll screw into the frame. This particular Blazer light doesn't come with a screw, you have to get your own. So you have the frame, then you have the power source. Go up under the frame, you'll screw this so it's grounded on the frame. Got your power wire coming in. We'll just screw back on there. You gotta get a screw where the head's big enough to hold the frame down. It doesn't come with a screw. So it's going to be grounded to the frame with that screw. Hardwired here. I'm going to crimp on a butt connector. It's the red ones. It's a heat shrink butt connector. It's a 22 to 16 gauge wire. Going to heat it up so it's waterproof, watertight. Take a lighter, heat it up, get that watertight seal. Good to go. Gonna feed the wire back in the trailer frame. Alright, get the new frame, electrical connector screwed down. From the old one, it is a little smaller. There'll be a hole there. I'll just end up putting a sticker over that. So we got the, let's push the LED light on. We'll be good to go. Just push it on like that. New light, good to go. Let's turn it on. Trailer light's working. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching.